Welcome everyone to this tutorial on how to put text behind a person in CapCut PC. To start, create a project in CapCut and add the video you want to work with. Then go to the top left and click on text. You can add default text to your project. Then head to the top right, type in the text you want it to display. Adjust the font and other styles. Once you're satisfied with the text, adjust its length in the timeline to your preference. Next, select the original video, right-click on it, and choose Copy. Then, right-click on your timeline and select Paste. Position the pasted video above the text by dragging it. With the pasted video selected, go to the Video Remove BG. Click Auto Removal, remove the character background. This will place the text behind the video seamlessly. And there you have it. Feel free to experiment with different text styles and effects. Thank you for watching this tutorial.